Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Now here on the bottom right, click on this profile icon. Here you can see the option of edit profile. Click on it. Here on the first option, name, select it. So this is the place where you keep your display name. Enter your name and hit on this tick button. Now select change name and be confirmed that this is the name you want to pick. And as you go back, your display name is changed. So this is the quick and easy way to change your display name. Thank you for watching.